So this is Gigabyte graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 4090 Master 24G. Let's check the specification of this graphic card. So this is graphic card processing socket number GeForce RTX 4090, core clock 2550 MHz, CUDA core 16384, and this is clock speed 21 GB per second, memory size 24 GB per second, memory type GDDR6X, and this is bus 384 bit and card bus PCIe 4.0. Digital resolutions, we can see the display resolutions max supporting 7680 into 4320, and this is 1000 watt required the power supply, 1000 watt, and power connector 16 pin 1, and this is output. So display port 3 display port 1.4a, and HDMI port 1 HDMI port 2.1a. After that you can see this accessory which is in the box.